How to get color name in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to get color name in Blockman Go. Getting color name in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile picture or avatar icon typically found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to Settings. Tap on the setting icon usually located in the profile menu. Access name customization. Look for an option related to your username or nickname typically under account or profile. Change name color. If the option is available, you can choose a color name by selecting a color or applying a special name format. This might be available as the premium feature or with in-game purchase. Save changes. After selecting your desired color, save or confirm the changes to update your name. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can get color name in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.